Hey guys, today I'm making Malva pudding from scratch. Melt the batter, then add in the vinegar and milk. Mix it together and set it aside till needed. In a bowl, add in the egg and sugar and whisk it together till the sugar is mostly dissolved. That's my little one in the background. She is a month old and I imagine she's going to be coming up a lot in my videos. Add in the baking soda and apricot jam. Then mix in the milk and butter mixture. Lastly, add in the flour and mix well. Grease a 12-cup muffin pan. I'm using a brownie tin. And divide the batter evenly between 6 of the cups. I apologize for the lighting here. I noticed a bit late that I hadn't adjusted the brightness. Divide the batter and bake at 180 degrees for 15 to 18 minutes. While the cake is in the oven, make the sauce. In a pan on high heat, add in the butter, sugar, cream, and orange juice. Mix it together and allow the butter to melt and for the mixture to come to the boil. Allow it to boil for 1 minute, then remove it from the heat. Remove the cake from the oven and while it's still hot, divide the sauce between each cake. Allow the sauce to absorb well, allow them to cool slightly, and they're ready to serve with your choice of ice cream or custard. Enjoy! Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.